What is the real meaning of beans in dreams? Today we are going to know all the possible meanings of these types of dreams. So there are some common types of beans dreams that people see during sleep. Number 1. If someone sees beans in a dream, then this dream is considered good and indicates good luck, success and prosperity and an upcoming good time in which you will make huge progress in every aspect of life very easily. But sometimes this dream also suggests new opportunities for success in life that will make you happier and more satisfied person in real life. Now number 2. If someone sees plucking beans in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates that you are going to get easy success in any work, project or planning, or any of your big wishes are going to be fulfilled soon without any hindrance. Now number 3. If someone sees cultivating or growing beans in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates an upcoming good time in which you will make huge progress in every aspect of life very easily. Or you are going to get the fruits of your past hard work and dedication soon that will give you a sense of satisfaction and peace in real life. Now number 4. If someone sees beans, plants or vines in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates success, prosperity and an upcoming good time in which you will get the fruits of your past hard work and dedication soon with monetary gain in real life. Now number 5. If someone sees eating beans in a dream, then it indicates good health, success, prosperity and harmony in life. As well as this dream also indicates success in any work, project or planning very easily, which you have been waiting for a long time. Now number 6. If someone sees cooking beans in a dream, then this dream is considered good and indicates success in any work, project or planning due to your skills, knowledge and creativity in life. So to take the maximum benefit from it, this is the right time to set some big goals according to priority in real life. Now number 7. If someone sees buying beans in a dream, then it indicates any kind of big profit from a business, job, etc. Or you can start something new that will give you tremendous success in the coming future. Now number 8. If someone sees fresh beans in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates good luck, success, prosperity and harmony in life because you have chosen the right path in life that will give you the desired results in the coming future. Now number 9. If someone sees receiving beans in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates good luck, success and prosperity in the coming future, or any of your big wishes are going to be fulfilled soon without any delay or hindrance. Now number 10. If someone sees or eats rotten beans in a dream, then it indicates obstacles to completing any work, project or planning. As well as this dream also gives a kind of warning to cross-check your plans before execution, because you have made any kind of wrong decision in life that needs some corrections as soon as possible. Now number 11. If someone sees collecting or picking beans in a dream, then it indicates that you are going to get some kind of big gain in life in the form of fame and money without so much effort. Now number 12. If someone sees giant or big beans in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates that you are going to get some kind of big achievement in life that will change your life completely in positive ways. Now number 13. If someone sees selling beans in a dream, then it indicates success and progress in a business, job, etc. But sometimes this dream also suggests focusing on your strengths rather than weaknesses. Only then you will be able to create new opportunities for yourself in real life.